Halor Kapatisi TV. Kabul, Kamashin Kabalas Nakarpang Kabakhamskem, Khamsted, Khamklan, Batbaduna Bam Umpnya.
Hakinigis-ngigi ya baka perthai ka phai shika boarding ka kham khoi bat bala ban pene pensa lani ka tak batip kom ga renewable energy hakatha jete lami ngi pat hangni Meghalaya ru ka jing persang kalong ka baklam jing sange gili kendu I wi rangba oblas dang sha yagani ka kam shakmat hakabola wan shanong ba shilong bani kendu iki he sarkar ban terwa yakabut ban seng Karkhana shina umpnyang kali ka bangitep kom ka biofuel Dagabasang ka Karkhana penmi umpnyang bapin kala yaki jabo shaka boarding pala ban pen thamai upin ikumno kajing penmi thamai bat kajing kekhle yaka maryang kala banya rengkan hakajing kendu jongi uzet nunisa ula batai benya halor gan kaphang bat kajing yo I jong company ka bo utrai ban penmi yaka umpnyang biofuel kumpnyang ka ba onwanra kajing kala haka prathai kani kajing thokana shapang kajing thmu kajing shlur ba kajing penthamai ka goal biofuel journey ka peni kumno ka jala jongi kala ban lam khamat haka boarding bala ban penthamai bar kajing penne pensa nadu kajing pen kalai ka jabo sha ko umpnyang hadu kajing thaukam thaujam haka than kani ka project biofuel ka pen kan mau yangi ba kajing Kiew sha prang ba kajing sumar ya ka maryang kala banya rengkat
Why I joined this company in the biofuel sector? Because biofuel it's a future of our nation. Because fossil fuel is a limited version. Because in India, fossil fuels production is very less, and we are importing from other country. Like almost 80% of crude oil we are importing from other countries. So basically, we are depending on other countries. So our government of India's decided that how we are depending in other country, it's in future we are going to in a very risk factor maybe. So that's why this biofuel it's an alternate option of fossil fuel. So now we are from 2017 to 2025 almost our production is 10% of this 80%. So crude production is biofuel crude. Now in India, we are producing 10% till now. It's a huge, 10% is a huge. So our contribution in this fuel sector, in crude fuel, it's a 10%. Out of 80% we are importing. Now our government of India is importing 70% after introducing biofuel. So this is a very big achievement for our nation. And this is achievement for all the states and our countries, and everyone is it's benefited with this project. I'm not saying that this is a big challenge because infrastructure development it's almost same with the fossil fuel like other petrol pumps companies. It's everything is same. Just the difference is it's a biofuel, and that is called a fossil fuel. Otherwise, our machinery setups, everything is same. Our refinery setup it's a different, and fuel pumps like a petrol and diesel petrol pumps. These all are same machineries, but our refinery is different. It's a why refinery is different, how refinery is different. Now I will explain you in details. Because our in refinery, see in fossil fuel land requirement is a very big issue for fossil fuel refinery, and it's not possible to open in anywhere that fossil fuel refinery. In Meghalaya also there is no any refinery in Meghalaya till now. But now we are planning for refinery setup in Meghalaya because it is possible in this place. How? See, for biofuel refinery, we need our requirement is almost 38 hectares as per Meghalaya government norms. Land requirement is only 38 hectares. Like in like other state, it's called in biga system. We can say it 150 bigas land is sufficient for that 1 lakh kiloliter per day production It's enough in that 150 biggest land. So that biofuel crude, it's we produce from like
Waste.
soya oil and palm oil and jatropha oil, cashew nut acid oil, and like waste cooking oil. It's very people are not because people don't know about this that possible like waste cooking oil also become a crude for a biofuel, biodiesel. It can make biodiesel. People are don't know about, but now. Uh, Now people are about to know that our used cooking oil also it's become a biodiesel crude oil. Yeah, waste plastic also our one of the crude. That waste plastic also, you know, that waste plastic also it's a part of our fossil fuel. It's a byproduct. And again what we are doing, that we are recycling again, and it's come out as a LDO. It's called LDO, light diesel oil. It will be crude, and after that we mix with methanol, and it will be become a diesel, biodiesel.
Okay.
Biodiesel. So like that, for a biofuel refinery, its setup is not so much what you say. We cannot compare with fossil fuel refinery, because our setup is like minimum. Yeah,
Is
we
that
don't
what
need that much of machineries like
Okay.
fossil fuel refineries, and this is the totally eco-friendly. This is totally eco-friendly. This environment friendly, and what is after biofuel become a main fuel in our India, that our India will be safe. See, Meghalaya, if we can compare with other state of the India, Meghalaya, it's a one of the most pure state, I can say, that oxygen level, it's a number one in India, Meghalaya. So what we are thinking, that we should protect our Meghalaya, because if we can protect Meghalaya, then we are contributing towards the nation, that at least we are our oxygen level purity. So our contribution on also that level for that securing nature and our with see, if we need development, definitely we need development, infrastructure development and whatever. If infrastructure development and whatever, automobile development, our day by day increasing our vehicles, that how we can control that pollution level. See, biofuel, it's the only option that we can control the pollution and carbon. If we can use a biofuel as a 1 liter, if you have a vehicle, you are using 1 liter of biofuel, that means you are contributing towards your safety of your environment. That's the major thing. And if you use biofuel, at least 85% of pollution will be free, and 85% carbon will be free, carbon less. Now what government is doing, that BS6, Bharat Stage 6, which is new technology of vehicle, that you know about that urea AdBlue. Why we are using that urea and AdBlue, right? So basically our technology, that machineries is new, but our fuel system is it's an old version. So that two things, so we can balance that BS6 and old version of fuel. So that's why our urea and AdBlue is needed. So after using biofuel, because it's already carbon less, already pollution less. So that's why in future we don't need to require any more urea and whatever these things, because already biofuel is a refined version of the fuel. So that's our benefit. Our costing will be less. Our normal people who are using this petrol and diesel, and they will be benefited, because biofuel is a petrol or diesel. It's two, not exactly 2 rupees in different state. It's a different price. It's cheaper than present fossil fuel. We had met with Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Sri Kandat Sangmaji, and we got a very good positive response from the government. They are very interested in this biofuel sector, because there is a future, big future, not only for government, also public, because there will be creating a more job opportunities. If biofuel refinery will set up in Meghalaya, then there is thousands of job opportunities will be created, and the farmers will be benefited, And main thing is that if once a refinery will set up here in Meghalaya, then fuel prices will be less than today's market price. It will the most benefited for everyone. That's the main reason. Government already accepted our project, but how we'll do together work in there is a different our way to do with the government. So we are now discussing with that matter. And after Deepavali, because there is a festival in Deepavali, so that's why offices also many holidays nowadays. So that's why after Deepavali, government will finalize the what mode. There is a different mode, which mode that they will select, and they will go with us. But we'll work together, that is final. In Meghalaya, we are going to work, we are establishing a refinery or petrol pumps or plastic pyrolysis plant. We are ready for that. And government also ready to support in every sector.
Pin reels pa ya các tiên là dòng pin đâm cam ya cả ba căn kiêu các tiên khasi các tiên là dòng ai kan roi kan pa buôn kia keren halor ka environment ka sao dong sao put sao kuon ya ka badai ban penne pensa ya ka jingjar ngam ha ka kan tiên khasi ni yo ya ka marian na kamarian niyo sa ka Meirilung, Meirisan, Meirilang, Meiramo. Tudayakan mau kendit ho. Lapan ni da ka pati CTV, na ka benta ka jingmentoy upat ba.